In this video, I will be showing you how to enhance a photo with Grok AI. Let's get started. First, I open my web browser and click on the Google search bar. I type in Grok and hit enter. From the search results, I click on the official Grok link to open the platform. Once the interface loads, I navigate to the search bar at the bottom and click on the plus icon on the left side. A menu pops up, and I select the Upload a File option. This opens my computer's File Explorer. I click on my gallery folder, browse through my images, and select the photo I want to enhance. After uploading, I click on the text box next to the image to type out my detailed enhancement prompt. I ask the AI to enhance the image by increasing the resolution, improving sharpness, balancing the lighting, reducing noise, and making the colors more vibrant while maintaining a realistic look. I also specify to replace all the white snow and white tree foliage with soft pastel pink cherry blossom-like tones to create a dreamy pink winter landscape while keeping the buildings, lake, reflections, composition, camera angle, and overall scenery exactly the same without adding or removing any objects. I emphasize that the final result should look natural, high quality, and professionally edited. Once my prompt is fully typed, I click on the arrow icon on the right to send the request. The AI starts processing the image, which takes a few seconds. I watch the status updates as it crafts the image editing prompt and works on generating the final output. After about 9 seconds of processing, the newly enhanced image appears on screen, showcasing the beautiful transformation with vibrant pink cherry blossom tones replacing the snow. I hover my mouse over the generated image and click on it to see it in full view. To save this enhanced photo to my computer, I locate and click on the download button at the bottom of the image viewer. A notification appears indicating that the download is complete. I then move my cursor to the top right corner of the browser and click on the downloads icon to open my recent download history. I click on the downloaded file name to open it in my system's image viewer. I maximize the window to inspect the fine details, zooming in and scrolling across the image to appreciate the high-quality resolution and precision of the AI edits. Satisfied with the result, I close the image viewer and return to the Grok interface, where I can hover over the original image icon in my chat history to see a small preview comparison of the original snowy scene against the newly enhanced pastel pink landscape. And that is how you enhance a photo with Grok AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.